So we're back. We're gonna do a box break.
Let's go.
Searching for that Jordan.
Yeah.
Who else is in this set?
That's Jordan.
So,
91.
Junkwax era. Hold on. Doom.
That's a nice looking box.
So 1990 basketball Fleer, 5th anniversary edition, 36 packs. I don't know how many come in a pack, but it doesn't matter. Looks like the guy might have, whoever purchased this from whatever store might have got it for 99 cents for the whole box. But I doubt it. Oh, maybe, you never know. But these boxes are going for about $100 now, maybe a little more than $100 depending. Again, we're in the high side of the hobby collection. We actually scored this box for a lot less. We got lucky. So let's start breaking it. They look tight.
Yeah.
Now the problem with these packs, you gotta be careful for packs that have been searched. So if we get no good cards, more than likely we got scammed. Indicators of possible tampering is the corners will be worn. None of these corners are worn. None of them. Oh, that's a little blurry. All right, there you go.
Pretty tight.
They're all pretty tight. Mm-hmm. Also, it should be tight here, but it should also be easy to flip open. So that's a good sign from what experts that I watch say. So pretty easy. Now it's funny because they kind of resemble the 1990 Fleer baseball cards as well, which is the one box. And I think I've told this story before. I don't know if I told you guys the story. I'm sure I have. I saved up money to buy a 1990 box of Fleer, which is, I can look at it right here. It's right there. And it broke my heart. You broke my heart, Fredo. You broke my heart. I guess the comic shop / sports store that I purchased it from definitely searched it. It was complete commons, no good players, and it was repeats, like literally 3 or 4 of the same card in one pack. So it gave me a very, very distaste to buying boxes. And I gave them another chance, and I bought another box, and the same thing happened. So,
Wow.
So you know, it's an unfortunate thing that happens in this collection world. Wow. Okay. Willie Anderson. So again, if I pass somebody, just let me know. Danny Ainge. My son's playing wrestling on the couch. Clyde the Glide. We could put him off to the buddy pile. We'll take a closer look at him later. E.J. Armstrong. All right. Okay. So they're opening nice and easy. I don't think they've been tampered with. So hopefully we'll get some good play. This is my man Charles Oakley. About to drop that elbow. He's gonna swing it around and put that. Oh, look, 2 of the tough players of the era back to back. So flipping. Traded to Sacramento. Hakeem Olajuwon. Let's see, but we're definitely looking for Jordan. We're looking for Pippen. Oh, this looked like Shaquille O'Neal for a second. I was like, wait a minute, what is he doing in here? It totally got psyched out. It does, right?
And number 33.
I was like, oh my god. I was like, wait. Am I seeing things here?
He was listed for 105. Let's see how much.
PSA 10.
I'll double check in a second. He sold PSA 10 in October for $73.
That's not bad, and that one looks really good. So that could definitely be one that we could send in. Oh. James Worthy.
He's listed PSA 10 for 100.
100?
Bulls cards.
Dude, I feel that this guy right here, this is the same picture from what was the last box we opened? The Hoops. Dude, this is the same picture as the Hoops.
You think so?
I think so. I'm gonna put him to the side. We gotta take a look.
Yeah, double check.
That would be hilarious. Isaiah Thomas. Isaiah Thomas. Dude, the centering on this looks really good.
Yeah.
And John Stockton right behind him.
Wow.
Johnny Stockton, and then all right. And at the next pack. Oh man, Fleer 1990, man. I had such a terrible experience with the baseball cards. Hopefully, the basketball will a lot better. So far, so good. If you want to look up those two guys, Isaiah and Stockton, Steve. We'll see. Divox. This is his rookie? Yeah, it is. It's his rookie card. Yeah. Word.
Isaiah's listed at
Blazers
10
and then
and
Suns.
9 for $35.
That's not terrible.
Let's see how much he sold.
Xavier McDaniels.
He also sold for the same amount.
Fewest turnovers. David Robinson. Centering's a little off on the top, but yeah, Buddy Pile for sure. Derek Harper, my dude. My dude.
Hey!
Oh, there he is.
Wow.
We got one.
We got a Jordan.
Who's making one and no one's Jordan?
Set.
Let's go. Yes.
Let me see how much he sold for.
Yeah. And we get excited over what people are asking, but that does not mean that's what it's worth or what they're getting. Oh, Magic Fleer All
Is that a
Star.
sticker card?
Okay, so
I don't know.
So Jordan,
Yeah.
PSA 10 in October sold for $640.
Damn.
Nice.
In October. And what are they asking for?
They're asking for let me see, for PSA
Kenny
10.
Smith.
On the Hawks.
Manute Bowl. Remember him?
PSA 9, Jordan is being asked for 35 grand.
What? Of this set?
Yep, that one, that's the exact card right there.
Yeah, good luck getting that on. So. Oh, we got an All-Star card in here. Let's see. Buck. Moses Malone. Isaiah. There's another Akeem. But look at the difference. The top.
Oh, yeah.
See the difference?
Terrible.
So it's a lot more at the bottom here. So we'll put them in the buddy pile. Why not? Tim Hardaway?
Oh, check that Tim Hardaway.
I think that's his rookie, no? Where's Timmy? Right there. Right at the top.
He's dribbling.
Oh.
He's driving.
He's driving to the hole. So what do we got here? There's Divox rookie again. Bill Cartwright.
And he sold for
Patrick.
Ewing.
Patrick Ewing. Yeah, buddy pile. Charles. Alright, so let's move on to the next pack. I like these thick boxes where they have so much, so many packs in it. We have some boxes coming up that are
Barkley sold for 75.
PSA 10?
Yep.
Wow, that's good. I mean, if these two get a PSA 10, you made you doubled your money on the box. Actually tripled, yeah. Another Divock. Oh yeah, we got a lot of packs to go. Scotty boy. Patrick Ewing.
We get good 2-3 more of that Jordan.
Joe Dumars. Oh, another Charles Barkley.
Nice. Divock sold for from 60 to 100.
Wow.
What? Again, it's not easy to get those PSA 10s. I mean, I can't wait to send in our first wave and then break it with you guys and take a look at what we get. I'm sure I'm going to be pretty wrong. I'm actually pretty good with my comic book grading. I say I'm batting about 950%. because there's Isaiah Thomas, but very, very. This is a bad cut. It's very bottom heavy. Look at that. Stockton, it was the same. It's almost the same exact pack as the last time. So, I'm sure I'll improve, but I am curious to see what.
Let me get that checklist.
Yeah, I want to take a look at what's in here.
Let's see. This is 1 through 50.
Chris Mullen.
Oh,
But yeah, maybe it's 100 cards. So you probably get a lot of doubles in this set. Oh man, this miscut right here, but he's nobody, so it's good.
yeah, there is a Scottie Pippen that we still didn't get.
Scotty. AC Green, that sounds familiar. Horace Grant. Oh, that's a good Horace Grant. Little top heavy. I'll put him in the buddy pile. Mark Jackson, the Knicks. 30-year card. Reggie Miller. Look how young he looks.
Yeah.
Like a baby. 30-year card. All right. Who do we got here? We got an All-Star card. Hakeem. Elijah Wan. We'll put him to the side. It's funny that the All-Star cards are desirable. I feel like I always ignored those cards. At least in baseball I did.
For baseball, you
There's another Hakeem. Little bottom heavy. Tim Hardaway Rook. Shaquille O'Neal wannabe. Posting up. What up? This looks like a vintage, like an old picture. It doesn't even have the team logo on it. Cavs?
I remember that guy though. Danny Ferry.
Oh, played in Europe.
Wow.
This is like a rookie card. So this is probably his European uniform.
Oh yeah.
Is he anybody? He's nobody, right?
Not really.
Horace. Come on, man. We're getting a lot of Chicago Bulls, but we're just not getting the two that we're looking for. There's another Reggie Miller. All right, this Reggie Miller looks pretty good. Buck. Mose Malone. Karl Malone. All-Star card.
Love it.
Crisp. What up? Kevin McHale. Another Hakeem. Very Hakeem heavy.
Yeah.
Hakeem heavy Tim Hardaway.
Another one.
Yeah. Another wannabe Shaq. See the pattern? It's like almost the same cards. Damn, man. If we were only in the Michael Jordan pattern.
I know.
All right. What do we got here? All right, let's go. Come on. Come on. We got to pay attention when Jordan comes up. Like, if we get another one. Hopefully we get a couple more.
Hopefully. Oh,
Ah, psyched you out. Psyched you out.
it's coming.
The
Oh,
Birdman.
Bird, okay.
The Birdman.
That's the first bird we got.
the first bird we've gotten, right? It was surprising.
So Bird sold in October for $90.
Wow, that's good. There's David Robinson. Yeah, buddy pile. I feel like we're getting there. Terry Porter, I remember him.
Oh,
There he is! Okay, so we got David Robinson, Terry Porter. Like, this is the guys we got to look for, and hopefully Jordan will be in that again. Still very bottom heavy. And Charles Oakley. Oh, and Bill Laimbeer. Remember, they were back-to-back the last time?
Pippen?
Imagine. No. Okay.
Possibly.
I would assume so, right? Yeah.
They have also cards.
Traded. Sean Kemp.
Oh, Sean Kemp.
I think this is his rookie card. No, right? No?
Maybe.
Yeah, it is.
Nice.
Centering is legit. Let's see how much he sold for.
He sold for 113.
Still pretty good.
102.
Not bad.
Still pretty good.
Tens.
Oh, look.
Oh, Steve Kerr, league leader.
League leaders. There's Irving. Yeah, buddy pile. Da, 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 da. Dominique. Yeah, buddy pile. Ron Harper. Tyrone. Brad Davis. All right, that was a bust of a pack.
That was Irving.
Irving?
Yeah.
He's right here. He's driving to the hole. You saw it?
Yeah.
All right. Oh.
He's bidding for 100.
Oh, wow, really?
17.
PSA 10?
PSA 10.
Yeah. That's not a PSA 10, unfortunately. Da-da-da-da-da. The Muggsy Bows. Man, we haven't scored a Pippin. That would be unheard of.
I feel like we're
That would be unheard
due
of.
for one more. MJ.
Stockton.
That's like the third card we got of him.
Yeah.
See?
There's a
Let me
checklist.
see that one. See if it's any different. No, it's the same checklist. Jordan Stone.
Chris Mullen. I'm not even going to put him to the side.
Pippen is number. See the.
What is all on the patterns on how they put these through the machine.
Yeah.
So he's a Patrick Ewing All-Star.
Oh, nice. That's a nice looking one.
Number 33. Ah, look at that. See that?
Ah, man, that's a big thing.
Damn. So he could stay here. John Paxton. Oh, look at that hair. I remember that hair.
Skywalker.
It's so funny. It's bringing back memories.
AC.
Oh, man. That was a bust pack. What up? League leader. Oh, see, it's same pattern. Same pattern. There is Mike.
Irving.
It's Irving's. Yeah, Buddy Pile. Whoa. Ben Johnson. Mr. Parrish. Let's see what we got. Oh. Malone.
Is that the first Malone we got in this box?
I think so. The first normal. I think we got his All-Star card. All right. Come on, Jordan. Come on, Pippen. It's my boy. It's my boy.
Uh-oh. The Terry Porter makes maybe.
Oh, shit. Terry Porter.
Oh!
Terry Porter! Terry Porter's the dude. And this is a better centered card. Look at the centering on that card.
Looks almost near perfect.
Woo! Get the Ric Flair woo in here.
Oh,
Come on, baby.
Let's go. We just need a Pepe. Give us a Pepe.
So we're going to put this right into the card saver because this is definitely a contender.
Ooh, goes right into the card saver. I think this is the first one going into a card saver, this box.
Yes, it is because we're trying to just save a little time, not crush the viewers with constantly putting it. All right, so there it is. This is definitely, it's a little off to the left, a little bit, but I think condition-wise in the works. You know, the back even looks good on centering too. So, you know, I think this could be a good possibility. So, all right, so that's what we got to look for, Mr. Porter. And look, Charles Oakley. Bill Laimbeer, all together. Oh, David Robinson All-Star card. Nice. Look up his All-Star card, Steve. David Robinson. James Worthy.
Any of the All-Star cards?
Will Purdue.
Well, the last one was.
And then this guy. This is the only. We only got 2 of these so far. Which, how dare they do that?
Oh,
Dennis Rodman. I forgot about the Rodman.
Yeah.
All right, we'll get to him.
First one we got.
We'll get to him. I just hate when they're in the back of the pack or the front of the pack.
Scotty.
And Scotty and Rodman had, like, on the court, they used to have beef, right? I got psyched out. Almost. Almost. Look at this guy. Look at this handsome fella.
Detroit.
Oh, this pack got a little dirty. So 3 Jordans, man. That's not bad.
That's great.
Let's see what we got here. What we got to cheer for is Terry Porter, right? We need Terry Porter. Oh, the Sean Kemp rookie.
Nice.
This one looks good. Rookie. Dude, he's about to yam it. This kind of resembles the Jordan rookie, the Jordan Fleer rookie, right?
It does. It's kind of crazy.
And imagine he was the type of caliber. Well, he's a great player, and he was jacked, man. I remember him being jacked. So, all right, we could go for some more Jordans. Why not?
Oh yeah.
Why not?
Just one more, make it an even 4 for the box.
Psyched out again. There's the D-Rod. D-Rod. I'm not going to bag him up now, but I definitely want to bag him up. The Stockton All-Star. Different All-Star card. That's cool. There he is! There he is! But he's not cut good. That's okay, though. He's still Scotty.
That's Jordan.
As long as the cards ain't dirty, we're good to go.
So he's bidding right now for $31.
PSA 10?
PSA 10.
Man, these cards. Oh! Look what we got! Hold on a second. Let me clean my hands because those packs were a little dirty. So let's see if the pattern is true. Let's test.
Before that, Pippen sold for $202.
That
on
one?
December 22nd.
How many days left? How many days left on the one that you just saw?
7 hours.
Oh man, that's cheap.
Yeah,
can you put Can you watch that? Because I might try to snag that. So Terry Porter, he's our indicator that there's a Jordan on the way. And pow! There he is.
That is correct.
There he is.
That is correct.
Yeah.
I'll take 500. Who's before Michael Jordan?
Look at the cut.
Imagine that was a Jeopardy
What
question.
did you say?
Terry Porter. That would be Terry Porter.
Who is Terry Porter?
Who is Terry Porter? Yeah, this is a pretty decently cut.
Baby.
This is decent cut. Now you see a little bit of it's a little bit bottom heavy. No, yeah, a little bottom heavy. See that one you can tell it's a little bit more even.
I see it.
But I like it. And I like Terry Porter. I remember him, man. He was dope.
He went up against Jordan the following year.
That Charles Oakley and Bill Laimbeer. What a surprise.
And who's that? Larry Bird?
So they say that another indicator too is that you know when the flip is like the pattern changes. But on Tom Chambers, he could stay in here. Packs. Imagine there was another Jordan card in here. That'd be insane. Oh, John Sally. He's like he does a lot of interviews and stuff, right, on ESPN.
Oh,
The last 4. You see, they got dirty. I wonder why they got dirty.
Age.
I guess, man. Oof, look at that really dirty card. Karl Malone! No! Imagine it was Jordan. No! We might be able to clean that. Oh, man, it's a nicely centered one, too. All right, whatever. We'll get to it. Oh, look how dirty the front is, too. See? That's okay, though. There he is. The Birdman.
So the most that Rodman sold for was $73.
Still good, man. sold for, which is good.
PSA 10.
Oh, Pippin!
Better cut too.
Better cut. A little bit top heavy.
Let's go.
But let's bag them up really quick. Is Karl Malone. The dirty card. The dirty card. We could do one more Jordan. We want to be selfish. What's wrong with being a little self? Oh no! No, but there's a ting right there. Oh wait.
Oh.
It was it? No. It is. It is. It is. Let's look at it.
Now, yeah.
No! No! It's a little top heavy, but whatever. Damn. All right, we'll have to take a closer look. It's wrecked over here, but still, it's still Pippin. Let's put him to the side. 2 packs. There's Clyde the Glide. He'll go on the buddy pal. Oh man, the bull sign. But we got this Mr. Porter. Come on, Mr. Porter, where are you? Larry Bird. Just very, very, very bottom heavy. All right, so last pack.
Baby.
No Scottie Pippen or Jordan in the back, please.
Yes.
Like the last pack we did. John Stockton.
Yeah, I saw that. No. No.
Patrick Ewing in the front.
Okay.
Not so dirty. Charles Oakley. Charles Barkley. I said Oakley. This is a nice card. I'll take a closer look with my tools to see if we're going to send them over. Oh, flip. James Worthy. James Worthy was in that pack. Oh. Isaiah Thomas. Oh, that's decent. And John Stockton. These two were always together almost every pack we opened. All right, so that does it. Let's do a quick recap. We got some Jordans. We got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Nice. 2
potentials, I would say between 8 and 10 if we get lucky. And the PSA guy is a nice guy. And it's like, oh, these guys are cool. Let me give them a 10. He'll give us a 10. Mm-hmm. But these cards are probably 7 and under. So only because of centering. I think condition-wise, they're pretty mint. And then we got here, Charles Barkley, Sean Kemp rookie, Larry Bird, which centering looks fantastic. And then Akeem. Centering looks good. A little top-heavy, though. And on this side, we got Scottie Pippen. Then we got Reggie Miller. And then we got some Divock rookie, and then another Charles Oakley. So yeah, we did pretty good in this box. This was a fun box. I think we could do more for sure, because it was a good time. All right, thank you for watching. Definitely hit that like, subscribe, share, comment. Let us know what you think. We'll highly appreciate it. Thank you.